How to make Springtrap, the full suit. Find the measurements of your waist and crotch area. Now draw the waist design onto the foam. Now cut it out. Draw and cut out the back part of the waist. Hot glue the ends together. With a red Sharpie, draw all the scars and holes. Trim the edges to make it smooth. Take an X-Acto blade or some scissors and cut out all the holes and scars. Hot glue the fabric onto the foam and cut where the holes and scars are and fold the fabric in. It should look something like this. Now apply some black paint to it. Measure the length and circumference of the top part of your leg and apply that to the foam. Now cut it out. Hot glue the ends together. Like the arms, cut triangular slits and hot glue them together. Trim the edges. Now draw all the scars and holes. Cut them out using an X-Acto blade or scissors. Now hot glue fabric onto the foam. Trim the extra off. Hot glue and fold over the extra. Do it for the other leg and they should look like this. Now add some black paint. This is what it's looking like so far. Measure the circumference and length of the bottom part of your leg, then draw it on the foam and cut it out. Hot glue the edges together. Trim it to make it smooth. Draw all of the scars and holes. Now cut them out. Now hot glue the fabric onto the foam. Trim off the extra foam and fold the excess inside. Do it for both parts and this is what you should get. Now try it on to see how it looks and fits.